Hello friends, welcome you all to Citizen Justice Forum video channel. Our mission is to empower citizens of India. If you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon and select all so whenever we are online or we upload a video, you get a notification. Our mission is to empower citizens of India. आदाब नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है सिटीजन जस्टिस फोरम के इस वीडियो चैनल पे। हमारा मिशन है आम नागरिक को किस तरह से एम्पावर करना, सशक्त करना, और ये जब हो पाएगा जब आप लोग हमारा हाथ बढ़ाएंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो शेयर करेंगे और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करके सिलेक्ट ऑल करना, ताकि जब भी हम ऑनलाइन आएंगे आपको ये वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगी या अपलोड करेंगे तो एक नए वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगी, यानी आप कोई भी वीडियो को मिस नहीं करेंगे। आज की जो टॉपिक है वो कंज्यूमर फोरम से रिलेटेड है। एक बंदे ने आईसीआईसीआई बैंक से लोन लिया और आईसीआईसीआई बैंक का जो कुरियर सर्विस थी वो ब्लू डार्ट की थी और ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट मिस हो गए। तो एनसीडीआरसी ने जो जजमेंट दिया है वो आज मैं आपके साथ में शेयर करूंगा और वो आर्टिकल की लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगी। और जब आप पूरा आर्टिकल पढ़ लोगे और आपको अगर वो ऑर्डर भी चाहिए तो आर्टिकल के बॉटम लाइन में क्लिक हियर टू डाउनलोड और रीड द ऑर्डर का ऑप्शन मिलेगा, उसको आप क्लिक करोगे तो वो ऑर्डर अपलोड हो जाएगा। तो आज की जो एनसीडीआरसी की रूलिंग जो मैं आपके सामने लेके आया हूं उसके ऊपर हम चलते हैं। एनसीडीआरसी रूलिंग प्रोटेक्टिंग कंज्यूमर राइट्स व्हेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स go missing directs ICICI Bank to pay rupees 25 lakhs as compensation in a recent case before the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. That is, in short, we say NCDRC. Consumer rights took center stage. The case known as a consumer case number 129 of 2017 involved Manoj Madhusudan and ICICI Bank and Blue Darts Express Limited. The central issue revolved around the loss of the essential property documents and emphasized the significance of safeguarding consumers' interest when financial institutions mishandle the important or vital papers. The background of the case: Manoj Madhusudan, the complainant, lodged a consumer complaint under Section 21, subsection A, subsection 1 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. He alleged that the ICICI Bank Limited, referred to as the opposite party number 1, was at fault for deficient service when they lost the original documents related to his properties. These documents were handed over to the bank as a collateral for a housing loan. Manoj Madhusudan explained that he had taken a housing loan of rupees 1 crore 86 lakhs from ICICI Bank Limited on 11th April 2016 to purchase a property in Bangalore. When the sale deed was executed, various crucial documents retained by the bank as security. These documents included the registered sale deed, possession certificate, khata certificate, tax paid receipts, and encumbrances certificate. These papers were essential for proving his ownership of the property. The problem arose when these original documents entrusted to ICICI Bank went missing while being transferred to the bank's central storage facility in Hyderabad. Blue Dart Express Limited, referred to as the opposite party number 2, a courier company, was responsible for this loss. Manoj Madhusudan asserted that ICICI Bank was negligent in handling these documents and had even acknowledged the previous instances of misplacement by Blue Dart Express Limited. What the complainant Manoj Madhusudan sought was the following outcome from the NCDRC. First, instruct the opposite parties to locate the missing original documents. Second, demand compensation of 5 crores to account for the document loss mental distress, and service inadequacy. Third, request interest at 12% per annum starting from the date of documents were misplaced. Until the complaint was filed, responses from the opposite parties, ICICI Bank Limited argued that the complaint was not valid because the documents were lost by the Blue Dart Express Limited and they had already followed the direction given by the banking ombudsman. Blue Dart Express Limited, on the other hand, contended that they were not directly responsible since there was no direct contract between them and Manoj Madhusudan. Their responsibility was also limited by the terms of their service provider agreement. The NCDRC's decision. The NCDRC carefully analyzed the case and made the following key points. ICICI Bank Limited was responsible for keeping the original title documents secure since they were provided as a collateral for a housing loan. The liability of the opposite party, that is Blue Dart Express Limited, was restricted based on their service provider agreement with ICICI Bank Limited. The complaint was valid and the banking ombudsman decision did not prevent the complainant from pursuing further remedies. The claim for compensation was inflated and lacked a proper basis as the property's actual value could not have increased significantly in the short time between the mortgage and the complaint. The NCDRC's final ruling. The NCDRC partially accept the complaint ruling that the ICICI Bank Limited must obtain at their own expense, reconstruct and properly certified copies of the lost documents and provide them to the complainant. ICICI Bank Limited has issued an indemnity bond in favor of the complainant regarding these documents. A compensation of rupees 25 lakhs should be paid to the complainant after considering the compensation already awarded by the banking ombudsman. In this case, it is very important that the complainant had complained in banking ombudsman also, and he was given a compensation of 50,000 rupees. But over and above, the NCDRC gave further 25 lakh rupees to the complainant, even after looking at the aspect that banking ombudsman had already given him 50,000 rupees as a compensation. The complainant should receive rupees 50,000 to cover the litigation cost. This instruction must be followed within 8 weeks, otherwise interest at the rate 12% per annum will apply to the bank. Conclusion: the NCDRC's judgment in this case serves as a reminder of the importance of consumer protection and responsibilities of the financial institutes in safeguarding the valuable documents entrusted to them. It highlights the needs to be strict adherence to the agreements and contracts, especially in cases involving third-party services providers. Ultimately, the judgment seeks to ensure that the consumers are adequately compensated and protected for any deficiency in service that may result in financial losses or mental anguish. I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, you will subscribe and click the bell icon and select all. And if you want to do me a favor, kindly share this video with all your friends and contacts and let us strengthen. And from today onwards or from tomorrow onwards, we'll have one more channel by the name Green Wallet, where we will discuss the Nifty, we will discuss the Dow Jones, and we'll discuss one or two scripts to see what the chart says. But you have to take a decision as per your financial registered advisor. Thank you all for watching this video and hope to see you again in the next video. Till then,